A lot of times when you order a cocktail, you make cocktails, primarily they're made with a sugar water or a simple syrup, right? It's just a refined, simple sugar heated with a boiled water to make a syrup. And that really has been the way for many, many, many years. But what I want to show you is just a really quick, easy way to create a sugar source that I actually love, that I actually think adds so much more flavor and viscosity to a cocktail, and that's agave. And a lot of times agave does not come as a syrup, so you have to make it. So what you're going to do, you're going to take an agave nectar, which is what this is. You can get it at any Whole Foods, any store. I'm actually using an organic one. And it's a really simple formula. It's really just one ratio, 1 part of water to 1 part of agave nectar. And you don't have to heat it up. That's the wonderful thing about it. I don't have to get a pot out. I don't have to boil it. I don't have to mix it. I don't have to cool it down. But it's equal parts. So I put 1 cup of the agave nectar in there, and then 1 cup of water. And then all you have to do is just take a bar spoon and just stir it until it dissolves. So what I do is I'll stir it, and then just be careful. It's better if you can get it into a... And you'll start to see it starts to be cloudy, and then it will start to clear. And as soon as it's clear, you could see that, you know that you have the syrup. And then I'll pour it into a bottle here that I can use for my cocktails. And that's going to last a pretty long time. Probably a good 3-4 months. You don't have to refrigerate it. You can keep it out. I just keep it in my cupboard. But now you have an agave syrup. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and you're ready to go. So let's just say most cocktails for me were based on a daiquiri. What is that? Rum, lime, and sugar, right? Well, if I'm going to make a margarita or just anything that really calls for a sweetener, which is typically sugar, I use it for agave. So if you just want to make a simple margarita, you've got 2 ounces of tequila, 3/4 ounce of agave syrup, and on that I would go up to 1 ounce of lime. So very, very simple, but it will add so much to just the flavor and the feel and the taste of it.